Hi, I'm Battu from FreeFinCal. Today I did a corporate session and I was asked a very interesting question by a young earner, and in fact, many other young earners also have this question. Uh, my investment amount is low, and some people say my salary is low or income is low. Is it worth engaging a fee only financial advisor when that is the case, when the investment amount is low, or even the investment amount is comparable to the fees of the fee only advisor? The answer is that what I would suggest is that do not compare your income or your investment amount to the fees of the financial advisor. I'm talking about a SEBI registered fee only financial advisors who takes a flat fee for their services independent of your net worth. And it's better not to look at your compare your the amount that you can invest each month or the income that you have or even your net worth with their fees. I have seen people with tens of crores, and they will be doing DIY. They will not be engaging any advisors. They will be doing DIY, and naturally there are crores of young earners in the country whose income is not very high, and they are for what it is worth doing DIY. Whether it is in the right path or a wrong path is a different matter. They are also DIY investors. So the key question to ask is, can I take investment decisions quickly? Can I, for example, learn quickly how to select a mutual fund, how to select a term plan, how to select a health insurance plan, how to learn how to manage an investment portfolio, manage risk in an investment portfolio, how to do goal based investing? If I can learn this quickly, and if I have the confidence that I can learn this quickly and take decisions with conviction, then first of all, you don't need a financial advisor. You can do it. You can be a DIY investor, and that decision can be made independent of your net worth, independent of your income, unless you say, look, I'm too busy. I have the confidence, but I'm too busy, so I want to outsource it. Then it's not a problem. So if you cannot take those decisions quickly, if you're confused, and I know many people, regardless of their net worth, who are confused. If you're somebody who gets confused very easily, especially with my posts and my videos, what is this guy saying, he's so irritating, and that kind of impression that is what you get, and that kind of mindset is what you have, then regardless of your income, regardless of your investment or net worth, please engage a fee only advisor for as long as you believe you need it. You don't need to re-engage them. um, Even if their fees is equal to the amount of money that you invest each month, please recognize their fee is only an annual fee, whereas you are going to invest every month, and from the next year onwards their renewal fees will be typically 50%, so 50% lower. So and by that time your financial life, at least after one renewal, your life will be, your oriented, your money management will be oriented. You can use this time to learn investing on your own, and you may or may not decide to renew, depending on how you feel at that time and your financial life and life circumstances at that time. So please don't look at it in terms of comparing. Don't compare their fees with your investment amount and net worth. Look at the time and the effort involved. If you can do it yourself quickly and with conviction, then you don't need a financial advisor. If you cannot, then you need a financial advisor, a SEBI registered flat investment advisor who charges a flat fee with no connections to any insurance or mutual funds. I have this list in my main menu. I have the link here for a list of investment advisors. Please use them. And that's essentially how you should be comparing, and not the amount of money. So please take that call and work with them. I'm proud that more than 600, I would say, at last count, I have not done a recent check, more than 600 of my readers are working with these with the financial advisors in the list. It keeps growing with every day. It should be, hopefully, hopefully, if I have not already reached it, hopefully 1,000 readers would be their clients, and it would be a big it would be one of the one of the things I'm proud of with respect to Free FinCap. Before I end, I just want to point out that today I had updated my post You may remember that I've done a video on 1000 rupees in 1980 is worth only 68 rupees in 2019. I have updated it to 1000 rupees in 1980 is only worth rupees 66. So 68 has gone down to 66 in 2020. Please do have a look. Thank you. Bye bye.